Hey guys, welcome to the study of the inner and outer planets. Bonus, can you name these planets in order? Okay. All right, so this next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you some questions, and I'm hoping you will pause me to find the answers and highlight them. And then once you are ready, turn me back on so you can check your answers. So number one, as we read through the inner planets, please take a moment to read this paragraph. You should have paused me. Okay. Question number one, what are the planets mostly made of? They are mostly made of rocks and metals. These are the closest or the farthest planets from the sun. They are the closest planets. Are they smaller or bigger than the outer planets? Much smaller. Do they have a lot of moons? They have very few moons. And lastly, what kind of materials are they made of, and do they spin quickly in space? They are heavy and they move slowly. Okay, now let's move to the outer planets. Please take a moment to pause me and read about the outer planets. Okay, you should have paused me and read it. All right. Now, please pause me after each question so that you can highlight the answers. The first question, are these the four farthest planets from the sun or the closest planets to the sun? These are the four farthest from the sun. What are these planets made of? They are made up of gases. Are they heavy? Do they move slow, like the inner planets? No, they are very light and they move quickly. Are these gas giants called giants because they are smaller than the inner planets? No. They are almost 4 times the size of the inner planets. And lastly, they have something special that surround them, usually many of them. What are these things? The answer is rings and moons. Okay, next step. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to presentation mode. Sorry, I realize you probably couldn't see me, so let's try this now. We'll try presenter view. Okay. And then I don't want that guy, I just want this one. Okay, so here in presenter view, you should take a moment to try to fill in the names of each of these planets and go in order. Start with the planet that orbits closest to the sun. Then the inner planet that moves second closest to the sun. Then the planet that goes third from the sun. Fourth. Then we would have the asteroid belt, 5th from the sun, 6th from the sun, 7th, and then 8. Okay, so pause me until you find all those answers. You try your best. Try not to look at the other page unless you need help spelling, and we'll go over the answers together as soon as you come back. Okay, so here, let's go over the answers. The first one, of course, is Mercury. Inner planet, very heavy, lots of craters. The second one is Venus, hottest planet, has an atmosphere of poisonous sulfuric acid gases. Our perfect Goldilocks planet, Earth. Right next to Earth, about half our size, nicknamed the Red Planet, Mars. Moving past the asteroid belt into the gas giants, this one has a great red spot. It is the biggest planet in our solar system, and it could fit all of the other planets times 2 inside of it. It is Jupiter. Let's keep going. This one, all 4 gas giants have beautiful rings, but this particular gas giant has the most amazing rings. It is Saturn. Moving forward, we are now at the 7th planet. This one is blue because of some methane gas, and we don't know much about this planet. It is Uranus. Moving to the last of the outer planets, the last of the gas giants. This one is about 4 times the size of Earth. It has lots of methane. That's why it is a brilliant, brilliant blue. It also has quite a few moons. This is Neptune. Okay, so now I'm going to exit presenter view, and we'll move to the next section. Okay, so from this point, I'm going to go back to presenter view for a moment here. If you need to take a moment to pause me to write down each of these answers, you can. So what you should do is you should look at the scrambled word, and you should try to figure out which planet is part of the scrambled word. So all of the letters from each of the planets are located in the scrambled word, so it's not like they're missing anything. Here's my trick. I always look for strange letters, like a Y, or I might look for an H, or I might look for an S, or a U. These are all ways for me to be able to check to see if I have the correct answers. So that's how I would do this. These are not in planetary order, so be ready for that. Don't just guess the planets in order, because that's not the answer. And then also for extra spelling practice, make sure to try to write them each 3 times. All right, let's check your answers now. We have Mercury, Earth, Saturn. This is the only planet with 4 letters in its name. Mars. This is the farthest planet away from the sun. Neptune. Now we have the hottest planet. Venus. Let's talk about the biggest planet. Jupiter. Moving on to the 7th planet in our solar system. This one is also blue. It is, oh, Mrs. Smith, she did the wrong one. Did you notice I did Saturn twice? Which one is that really, first grade? Uranus. I'll fix that. And then lastly, at the bottom, you notice that it's kind of hard to see here with my presenter view, but at the very bottom, and let me exit presenter view, you can see that this combination and scramble makes the term solar system. And why don't we change this together so Mrs. Smith doesn't forget? Okay, I hope you've enjoyed your study of the inner and outer planets.